I will be proactive about this. I will be proactive about this. It's extremely bright out today, and I think today might be a time-lapse day. It's what I want it to be anyways. I got some wicked Jedi stuff going on right now. So I just got all excited and was gonna make some eggs, and no eggs. What the f am I even doing up at 8:35 in the morning if I can't eat? Ugh. I just wanted eggs. And I got grilled cheese. Okay, so real quick update. I'm gonna put this on the video that I recorded yesterday because I don't think there was very much that happened yesterday. But you go to my YouTube channel, to this video, you comment on this video, and be sure to hit the subscribe button, because if you don't, I don't have any way of helping you out. Growth is growth, right? I mean, my loss is your gain, is my gain. Yeah. So, you comment at the end of the week. On Friday, I will randomly select one of the comments, and you'll take home 3 of these luster dust things from ColourPop. Tray. We have Dewdrop. We have Nomi. We have Chill Pill. There's another Chill Pill. I'll probably just use it for a different giveaway. And last but not least, we have Just For Us. So like I said, here's how it's going to work. You comment on the video on Friday. I'll use some kind of program or whatever to randomly pick out a comment. And you can have 3 of these. And then I'll use the other 2 for something else. Some kind of other giveaway or something like that. Because growth is growth, right? You can't go wrong with that. And I know, everybody's going to be like, Falk, this is geared towards the females. Well, actually, you get them gifts. And hey, if you win a gift and you don't have to pay the money for it, you know what I'm saying? That's winning. Welcome to Indiana. It's raining.